Baik, perkenalkan nama saya Lirawati Sembo. Di sini saya akan membacakan jurnal dengan judul Effect of Bottom as and Coal Minor Compost and Chemical Properties of Soil at New Established Rice Field. Introduction. Food demand, especially rice, will continue to increase in line with the increase of population. So the Indonesian government is trying to increase rice production. One of the opportunities that will contribute substantially to future rice production growth is the opening of new paddy fields. The development of paddy fields of new openings from drylands at Sumatra Island is generally on marginal lands with ultisols and oxysols, means containing high levels of Pa and L with P and K deficiencies. Stated that rice crop were grown in new openings in Lampung, South Sumatra, Jambi, Riau, West Sumatra, and Bengkulu generally have feed toxicity. The problems of the new opening lands were the change in chemical properties as a result of flooding signs. 1. The decrease of redox potential, and 2. The reduction of V3 plus into V2 plus and Mn4 plus into Mn2 plus, which are dissolved and can be absorbed by plant causing toxic. The V-toxic soil at new established rice field leads to low production or even crop failure, according to change in soil chemical properties on marginal lands that are newly planted into potential paddy fields in Indonesia generally take up to 5 years, depending on the level of irrigation, soil iron content, and land management by farmers. Without proper management, the new opening will be stable after 10 until 15 years. The new established rice field in Sitiung Dharmasara Regency with ultisol soil type was classified as infertile soil, which are characterized by saturation 15.46% per law, cation exchangeable capacity 15.20 mi or 100 gram low, organic carbon 1.99% low, and available P 4.63 ppm low, L saturation 49.89% high, V extract with 1 mCH3COONA, pH 2.8, 57.32 ppm very high and likely to cause iron toxicity. In addition, there was a chance of redox potential become very low or negative that will affect pH, Pa, and another nutrients availability. To solve this problem, the action to replace soil condition called the amelioration is important to support the optimal growth of rice. Cool S, which in the form of apply and bottom S, is very potential to be used as amaranth because its availability is quite a lot as well. According to the bottom S was useful for amaranth without adverse effect on soil, plants, and environment. Add that the bottom S on acid minerals did not cause the heavy metals absorption in Choisam Bericea Jonesea to rise or higher than the others whole. According bottom S contains macronutrients P, K, C, A, M, G, S and microelements P, and Mn, Z, and Cu which can be used for plant growth. This was supported by James et al. 2012 that the bottom S has the potential to be a fixer and plant growth medium for fertilizing and neutralizing soil addition. Based on Iskandar at 2008, the addition bottom S can increase the soil and available of base cation in. Based on Iskandar et al. 2008, the addition bottom S can increase the soil pH and the availability of base cations in peat soils. So that bottom S increases the pH total and availability and insoluble cations Ka, Ca, and Mg. Increase crop growth and yield. Also, the NPK CAMG contents in Choisam cow manure compost can improve soil physical, chemical, and biological properties. Stated that the addition of organic material on soil containing excessive and dissolved Mi and Mn elements will form complex. Stated the presence of organic compounds allows the occurrence of chelate by binding the metal cation such as V and M. This is reduce the binding of phosphate by V or L oxide and silicate clay so that P becomes available. The addition bottom S and cow manure compost is expected to overcome the problem in a new established rice field, especially the chemical properties. The purpose of this research is to study the effect of bottom S and cow manure compost at various doses on soil chemical properties and rice yield at new established rice field. Baik, di sini saya akan menjelaskan mengapa alasan dari judul tersebut. Yang pertama, kebutuhan beras yang terus-menerus meningkat mendorong pembukaan lahan sawah baru. Namun, sebagian besar lahan tersebut merupakan tanah marginal seperti ultisol dan oksisol yang memiliki kadar besi dan aluminium tinggi serta kekurangan unsur hara, fosfor, dan kalsium. Kondisi ini dapat menyebabkan keracunan besi pada tanaman padi akibat perubahan sifat kimia tanah setelah penggenangan sehingga produksi padi menjadi rendah. Oleh karena itu dia melakukan upaya ameliorasi tanah untuk memperbaiki kesuburan tanah. Penggunaan bottom S yang mengandung unsur hara serta kompos kotoran sapi yang dapat memperbaiki sifat fisik, kimia, dan biologi tanah diharapkan mampu mengurangi toksisitas Va dan meningkatkan ketersediaan unsur hara sehingga pertumbuhan dan hasil padi dapat meningkat.